guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing some DIY Dollar Tree winter decorations. Super excited about this video. We're gonna be doing a huge collaboration with a bunch of super talented DIYers in the YouTube world. I really want to thank Josie with Life at 50 and Beyond for hosting this collaboration. I will be sharing the playlist down below. Go support my fellow DIYers. Head on over there and watch their videos, hit that subscribe button on their channel, and you know, show some love. If you're here from the other channels, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So the goal for this collaboration was to make each DIY cost $10 or less. And I'm gonna go for the rustic meets winter glam. Starting out, I do have a piece of foam board. I already had this cut out. And then I also have this Dollar Tree wood print vinyl liner. I'll also be using some of these Dollar Tree ornaments. They come 10 in a pack. A little bit of twine, some white acrylic paint, and some paint markers.
A Chevrolet offer gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around.
So I didn't realize that the pattern was actually gonna eat up that paint. It doesn't look too bad, but it's definitely not the look that I wanted it to have. It is a lot lighter than the original one, which is fine, and you can still kind of see the knots and stuff. I'm gonna do my writing, and you guys know that when I do my lettering, it's all free-handed.
It's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
You know what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of this bling wrap. I'm gonna use 5 wooden dowels from Dollar Tree. These come in a pack of 10. Glue these into the shape of a star, spray paint them with a metallic silver spray paint, and then also wrap them with Dollar Tree silver wire. Yes!
Yeah, I don't know what he's thinking when he says that he's been driving all night, all day to celebrate Christmas with me. But he's not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what he wants now, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh, ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure. He ain't ringing my.
You could always add some of these fairy lights from Dollar Tree. You'll just have to figure out how to hide this big old bulky battery pack. Took one of these poster boards from Dollar Tree, not the foam board, but the poster board. And then I just wrapped it around and shaped it into a cone, then cut the bottom off so that it's straight. To close it off, I did glue that edge with hot glue. I have a bunch of this fabric left over from my Hello Kitty doll. They do have these sort of towels at Dollar Tree where you find all the car stuff. You might need maybe 2 or 3, which will still keep it under the $10.
You're not here, and I'm not there. I don't know what you want now.
I am going to take some more of the Dollar Tree snowflake ornaments, and then I have some of this ribbon. It looks sort of like a shoelace. I know I got this on clearance. It's probably a couple of bucks.
You missed out on love, and that's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells no more.
I took a piece of foam board. You can't really tell it's foam board because it's all painted, so that it doesn't pop out. I'm gonna put some hot glue in here. Seriously guys, nothing goes wasted in this house, okay? Use every last bit of craft supplies that you have, even if they are scraps. Now I'm gonna glue it to the bottom of this Dollar Tree bowl.
My bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure.
But it's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells.
Okay, so last touch on this one, I have these sparkly picks. These come in a pack of 5, also from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use 3 of them.
That's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hate.
So just for fun, because I have all this stuff on my craft table, I'm gonna make something out of whatever I find. So let's go ahead and take one of these Dollar Tree baskets. And then I have this silver Dollar Tree candle holder.
I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. It's an early December morning, no one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee cup, I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last. Because I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and round. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you.
Is going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys head on over to the playlist, watch all the other videos, and if you can't get it done today, you know what? Save it to one of your playlists so you guys can catch up later. I really appreciate you guys. And again, if you're here from the other channels, thank you guys so much for joining me. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and let me know who sent you, and also don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.